Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Nissan Altima 2.5 SV in Super Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, electronic stability control, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 55,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6692.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.